بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها
When the earth will be shaken with a mighty shaking,
وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها
and the earth will throw up all her burdens,
وقال الإنسان ما لها
and man will cry out, "What is the matter with her?"
يومئذ تحدث أخبارها
On that day, it will relate all her news,
بأن ربك أوحى لها
for your Lord will have commanded her to do so.
يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم
On that day, people will go forth in varying states so that they be shown their deeds.
فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره
So, whoever does an atom's weight of good shall see it.
ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره
And whoever does an atom's weight of evil shall see it.